Happy New Year, everybody. It's 2026, yes, because July, what do you mean you can't end and things are still unraveling? We are now taking vlogs of going to announce a pregnancy at the boy's house. Yes, guys, ukubikwa kwesisu is now content. I just, why I'm still digesting this. Sipiwe Dana woke up at 2 a.m. and decided to be upset with the production of Ishaga Ibele and Nomza Mombat. What do you mean that even tomorrow is July? Even the day after tomorrow is July. Even the day after that tomorrow is July. I just, Happy New Year. No, Happy New Year. 2026, yeah. No, nyan amukela kunkqubo yami bomtaba kadade bomtaba kagogo bomtaba ka-aunty bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims, that is at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Happy Monday, everybody. It's a new year. And don't forget that I promote businesses and YouTube channels if you are looking for more traffic on your channels. Mtshware ka mogala. If you want more clients for your business, mtshware ka mogala. Today is Management Monday. Everything you see on your screen is made and brought to you by management. This hat that I'm wearing, made by one of our management. The hair that I'm wearing, made and given to me by one of our management. This top that I'm wearing is produced by one of our managers. Even Sims right here in front of your screen was born and birthed by one of our managers. Yes, guys, my mother, Upopi, is part of management. And as management, as a collective, we decided that mic is holding us back from hearing the sgatlas fully. So we said we are doing away with the mic. Okay? Guys, don't be afraid to tell me when you want to make suggestions. This is also your channel. It's our channel together. So if it's constructive, I will take it. If it's just criticism, go to hell. Yeah, fireplace. If fireplace one, why you pause? No, if fireplace I pause one. Let it burn, Asha. If fireplace, why you that? No, guys, no, this is serious. If fireplace, really like guys. DJ, play the fire music. How if fireplace is stranded? No. Yeah, yes. 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 How? Wait, I understand. Umlilo weakness. Okay, guys. Now, if you are an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or you use government services to enhance your brand, Kabelo is the right partner for you. What am I talking about? Okay. It is so important in investing in the right people for your business. So meet Ukabelo, the strategist behind Verve's growth. She took this brand from 0 followers to a thriving community using real strategy, marketing, and design skills. Nothing random, everything intentional. Okay? From the branding to the visuals to building hype and conversions. Conversions. Conversion means when you take the numbers and make them sales. Yeah, she did that. You are trying to take your brand from here to there. Abelo is exactly the right partner that you need. Oh, and speaking of Verve, Verve is a sleepwear line where they use local is like kere. Fabric is from here. Okay, tailoring is from here. So it means that there is a size for everybody. Okay, this sleepwear feels luxurious, it feels good on the body, and it includes everybody. They currently have a 60% discount. So what do you mean you're not running over there to get you some sleepwear? No, I'm asking. So run over there and do the right thing for you and yourself. Okay, let's all look good. There. Now today's video is full. Today's video is full, so sit down and let's talk. What do you mean there is a picture of Black Coffee sitting next to Ralph Stanfield and DJ Somebody circulating the internet right now? If you do not know who I am talking about, I am talking about one of the allegedly most cantankerous men in Cape Town. You remember that man of on Kings of Joburg? Something like that. Guys, Ralph is an alleged leader of the 28. Guys, I'm so stressed that the only thing I have to protect me is fireplace. Okay. Let us just give you a CV. Yaga Ralph. Yeah, guys. CV Yaga Ralph. Okay. Stanfield and his wife, Nicole Johnson, don't let this pretty face fool you, and 12 others face 41 major charges, including murder, attempted illegal firearms and ammunition, robbery, theft, and conspiracy under the Prevention of Organized Crime Act. The indictment also includes the 2019 execution of the rival gang hard living boss Rashid Stari. You remember Rashid Stari, who was unalived by a hail like rain of da, 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 da. Him. They said Stanfield is involved in the of Stari. You didn't hear it from me. You didn't. Okay. And not just him, the 2021 unaliving of 27's leader, William Red Stevens, and the 2023 unaliving of city official Wendy Klopper. I'm not even done with the CV. Authorities affirm the group functioned as the firm. That's what they call themselves. A hierarchical criminal network operating across Bishop, Lavis, Delft, Mitchell's Plain, Kraaifontein, and it is governed by the 28 prison gang ranks. The pre-trial proceedings began in July 2025 and the full trial starts in November 2025 in the Western Cape High Court. So why is this man in the same picture as the unalived DJ Somebody? You remember DJ Somebody was part owner of Ayep Yep Cape Town, and we remember what happened with Ayep Yep Cape Town. The other owner, Ukagiso, said he was receiving threats from the alleged businessman, Ralph, saying they must pay protection and they must be involved in the club. And then they made his wife Nicole the general manager at IUPF Cape Town. And then Black Coffee owns is on 6 venue, the club. I'm thinking washing machine, Omo jig, laundering of money, something like that. No, guys, Ngirongo agreement. You understand? No. South Africa, ever since General Mkhwanazi spoke once. What? All I know is that I need people not in jail but under the prison. I don't need them wearing orange. I need them wearing that old khaki, bottle green colors. I need them under. Right before you feel the fire of hell, they must just be near that area. Because what do you mean this level of criminality and lawlessness? It's too much. It's too much. Let us stop talking about this story before you also hear that management. No, I rebuke it. Return to sender. And when Ralph, all I said is allegedly. I said allegedly. So don't come for me. I didn't send for you. Okay? I'm not mincemeat. You can't make me pastor. I thank you. Luna, you've gone too far. No. What do you mean you are now vlogging? Vlogging yourselves going to announce the pregnancy at the boy's house. I opened my TikTok and I said, what?
Hi guys, I hope nirayithi. Bengifuna ukunibonisa ijeni yethu yalesisi wami. Ilanga lilayobika khona isisu la bamithise khona. Actually hayi ngangigela ubhizi uyangibheka ngithi ngibhekani sibonise phela ukuthi wena bakumithise kuphi phela. Hayi ngathi sesifikile vele la ugiya bamoshe khona. Sesiyobika ini isisu. So hayi ngibhizi mina ngibashaya ngevideo ke ngathi abona le shem kumele ngishaye ivlog angeke phela singumuntu azavuka ekuseni kanje ngaleso sikhathi nginjani bengiphethwe ibhabhalaza athazini it's fine hayi ugel makumele akokote yena ukokote umntana sekhaya and umntana sekhaya ngekho mayenza yonke lento le So hhayi-ke ngomntana sekhaya shem uyi-sweetheart wathi hhayi ngizokukokotela shem mntasekhaya. Yoba-ke sesihleli sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi bathini ngendaba kaGL. Busy nje uyahlela. Nangu-ke umnikazi wendaba-ke phethwe amahloni. Azi wayini phethwe amahloni mara maninzi abantwana niphethwe amahloni. Phethwe amahloni phela bamfikela bomama ekuseni ubhizi uyahleka la ngiyamhleka-ke mina-ke ngithi wena sekuke-ke baba-ke uthini ngendaba yakho. Alright guys, bye.
Guys, this used to be something that was done in very privacy. That's why we do it early in the morning. So when you fall pregnant out of wedlock, your family as the girl, they take you to the boy's house. And then you go tell the boy's family, "Hore, your son has put his private parts in our child's birth equipment. They have done the private part collaboration. Therefore, they have produced a hit in the stomach. So is it a yes or a no from the judges?" And then the family looks at the boy and says, "Tepo, what are you doing in my house?" And then Tepo's like, "Oh, mama, oh." And the next thing is what? He says, "Yes, it's my child." And then at least, it's not only the shame is completely removed, but at least they know, okay, the child has a father. And then finally, we continue with life. Damages have to be paid. Then you understand that itlawulo. Then you understand that nyalobolana nyashada or what something. But it's this. This is, guys. This is tradition. This is culture. Why are we making it content? I'm not judging. I'm just shook because I'm the first in my bloodline to ever witness this. I'm the first in my generations to ever witness this. Even when I go to my great grandmother's grave and I explain what I just saw, she will wake up and say, "No, no, Siswam, it didn't happen." Huh? Kishuk. Not just shook, I'm reshook. Alright, again, sharp. Let us talk about Simphiwe Dana crashing out at 2 a.m. over the Shaga Ibele hairstyles. Yes, she said they have appropriated the hairstyle that she has brought back from history and they don't even acknowledge her. Yes, Usimpiwe Dana says this hairstyle, she is the first one to do it. And then now Nomzamo Mbatha and her friends there at Shaga Ibele, they are busy doing it. Huh? But do they pay homage to her? No. Do they care about her? No. Why? Why? Akekho happy Usimpiwe Dana. Usimpiwe Dana, guys, you know, I had a drink this whole time. I had a drink in my hand this whole time, but angakayivuli. Anyway, ngoba le drink, guys, I told you about this drink. You remember? I said Gordon's has a premix now. Wow. And then me wrong. Like, why you guys keep seeing this drink here, but you guys are not telling me, Sim, take a sip. No, you guys don't respect your CEO. This is why people start quitting as a CEO, because you can see that I'm thirsty, but you're quiet. You know it's Monday, but you're quiet. You know that I'm giving you stories and stories. You're quiet. Anyway, let us now read the deleted post. Simply Dana, why are you deleting? Because you know we screenshot. Some of us are vampires. We are awake at 2 a.m. So we saw the screenshot, my sister. You can't delete. It says, honey. Yes, indeed. Honey, there's a difference between appreciation and appropriation. You are not the only one. I am fed up. It's deeply disconcerting and cringe. At least acknowledge me. Together with the Shaga Ilembe crew, I'm so disappointed because I love you. Guys, please appreciate Usimbiwe. Why is that stay like I'm jail? No, ni wrong. Ni wrong. Of course, I share a name with Simpiwe Dana. And of course, we went to the same school, UJ. She went to it when it was Tech, but she's still my alumni. So, why ni means so? Why ni means so? She can't sleep at 2 a.m. because of Nomzamo. Wrong, Nomzam. No, wrong. Not that you're wrong, but I'm just, no, Simpiwe, no, I can't upset Simpiwe. I need tickets. Nomzamo wrong. Shaga Ilembe wrong. It's not like this hairstyle was being done for years and years and ages. Usimpiwe is the one that brought it back. And she said what she said. Imagine guys crashing out at 2 a.m. over a hairstyle. I'd rather what? because I won't do it. So I don't know. I'd rather what, but it's not gonna be this. Yeah, guys, we will talk on the next video. I feel like I spoke so much, and my fireplace is going to run out and start showing me adverts. So astimeni sizokhuluma tomorrow. Yes, I will have another video tomorrow because as we have seen, July it's one thing after another, after another, after another.